I think they got to ride their strengths, and that's the passing game.
Play action with the motion, downfield Ryan, and somehow he finds Hooper, who goes over a defender.
Play by Hooper. You're going to see, we talked about the play action. That's exactly what they're going to do here. Hooper's ability is just running a corner route. But you talk about play strength. Done this year. Is their ability to go make tough catches and use their body to shield the defender. That's exactly what he did there.
That was 6'4" against 5'11".
Oh,
Ryan wants all of it, and he's able to get it. Marvin Hall.
It's play action. They're going to come back behind her. You're going to see Hooper on the over. The safety takes it, and look at that. Marvin Hall says, "Thank you very much." You're going to see it out here. As soon as that goes, he knows he's got it. A little stems it out like he's going to run that corner and come back on the post. Talked about Jenkins struggling. He has the speed to anticipate.